Hi friends, I am Sanya Aftab Maka. So again, I have chosen the book of Russell as I chose in my last review. It was last review was on the conquest of happiness, but today my review is on education and social order. You might have something. You might have the hint that education and the social order. Education and social order. As we all know, education is important. This is the mind of today's world, modern world. But some people are against education and some people are supporting education. In this book, Russell have discussed both and also give the three theories. Two are in the favor of education and one is not in the favor of education. And he is supporting both theories. He is trying to say that develop your mind, learn something with your feeling, not to earn money and not for the good job. He is teaching modern teachers and the parents how they should train the minds of the students, how they should make the mind of the students. As we all know, we all read many personalities in our books. We all know who is Einstein, we all know who is Edison, but we are not like them. Our mind is not as creative as like them. Why we are not like them? We are reading them, we are discussing them in our daily life, because we are not learning from the feeling. We are learning something for the passing our exam to get position. We are not learning to get something from it. So Russell has says that if Einstein thinks like us, if he thought that no, I want to earn the money, I don't want to create something, what will happen to the world? If Edison didn't develop the bulb, he thought that no, I don't want to develop bulb, what will I get? So he will automatically be like us. We are thinking like what we are not thinking from our mind, from our heart. We are thinking from our mind. We want to earn money, but we don't want to be like them because we are not learning with the feeling. So Russell has discussed very deep that why we are not like them. In his first chapter, he has discussed about individuals and citizens. So he questioned that what education teaches us to be a good individual or to be a good citizen. So after a long discussion, he says that no, education teaches us to be both. If we are good individual, we will be a good citizen. But if we will be good citizen, we will be good individual. So education is teaching us to be both. It is teaching us to create something, to imagine, because when we read something or we learn something, we might miss something or we might our mind might be divert. But when we imagine something, we get more than something. We get extraordinary things. He says that in modern world, no one is getting or no one wants to imagine something because they are saying that today's world is about facts and figures. No, he says, he gives many nice examples of Christ. He says that if Christ would be alive in today's world, the Christians would presume him, because this is not time of the imagination. This is time of the copycatting. He just want to say that you need to learn something with the imagination. You need to learn something with the feelings, because we should not worry for the failure or the fear of failure, because we are learning not for the success. We are learning to make ourselves realize what we are and what the world is. So Russell has, as I said, that the book consists of 16th chapter, and all the 16 chapters are giving some points to the teachers and to the parents how to teach their children, because education is something which we need to learn to know ourselves, not to get success, not to be fearful that if we will not get good grades, we will not be successful. No, if you are learning something and for yourself, you are the most successful person in the world, because you are learning that thing for you, not for money. Because in this book, Russell, as we can get some idea from education and social order, he is giving us point that what education is and what we are making education. What education is to know yourself, and we are making education that education is to earn money. In our Institutes, what institutes are doing? They are earning money. They are making robots. They are training horses to run. They are not training peoples. They are not making our mind. They are earning money. If you will ask a 10th standard student, what is education? He will be confused for a while because he don't know what is education. But if a person who is learning from feelings, who is learning to get something, if you will ask them, what is education? The answer will be, education is imagination, to know yourself. So friends, let us see what the modern personality says about this book and what my favorite personality Bertrand Russell himself think about this book and the topic of this book.
The Old West could put in its claim for more of them than any other land under the sun. The mountains and plains seem to stimulate man's imagination. A man in the States might have been a liar in a small way, but when he comes west, he soon takes lessons from the prairies, where ranges 100 miles away seem within touching distance. Streams run uphill, and nature appears to lie some herself.
80 years of changing beliefs and unchanging hopes. It's very difficult for anybody born since 1914 to realize how profoundly different the world is now from what it was when I was a child. The change has been almost unbelievable. I try as best I can, in spite of my years, to get used to living in a world of atom bombs, a world where ancient empires vanish like morning mist, where we have to accustom ourselves to Asiatic self-assertion, to the communist menace.
So this is my today's review on education and the social order. If you like my video, give a thumbs up, do subscribe and don't forget to comment.